Well, hi there, everybody, and good Wednesday morning to meteorologist Travis Klineski. Before we get into your forecast for today, one of the big issues this morning for the eastern half of the state, very smoky field of the sky out there due to fires down in central and eastern Kansas. The south winds have brought smoke northward into the area overnight, and of course, with the temperature inversion during the overnight hours, that air is settled at the surface. So you're going to notice a smoky, hazy smell if you live in parts of central and especially eastern portions of Nebraska. Otherwise, chance of rain as we go through the day today. A few scattered showers and isolated thunder out there this morning, with that chance continuing throughout the day. Although the chances get lower as we go through the day, especially the farther north and west you go, the better chances will remain off towards eastern portions of Nebraska, where we could even see some isolated severe thunderstorms. I'm still going to keep a chance of showers and thunderstorms in the forecast, as we could see some redevelopment from about the Tri-Cities east and southward into the evening hours, mainly before midnight. But then later in the night, that chance will start to go away as we see the cloud cover thicken up after clearing up the skies in the afternoon. Clouds will move back in by tomorrow morning. Most of the day tomorrow is actually just stuck under partly to mostly cloudy skies, but mainly dry conditions. But it's late in the afternoon we start to see chances of rain move back into play, and more so towards tomorrow evening and tomorrow night. Showers and isolated thunderstorms will move northward. And by Friday morning, the better chances will be in the eastern part of the state, and we'll keep a slight chance going as we head into the daytime hours of Friday. Maybe a better chance towards Friday night for the rest of us, with more severe weather a possibility Friday, and especially towards Friday evening. Severe weather threat for today. This has been shifted east since yesterday's Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is more towards about the Grand Island Hastings area eastward, a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms out there. Not a lot of severe weather expected. It's kind of a low-end threat for some large hail, some damaging winds, perhaps even an isolated tornado not out of the question. And then again on Friday, much of the area is under a marginal risk of severe thunderstorms from the Storm Prediction Center. A kind of similar threat as what we'll have out there later on today for eastern Nebraska. So something to keep an eye on as we get towards Friday. As for today's temperatures, very mild if not warm, mid to upper 60s and lower 70s up north. Again, an early thunder shower, then becoming partly cloudy. Does get a little bit breezy out there for today. South winds, which will turn northwesterly later in the day behind a cold front. Same thing out west. Those winds will change direction as a cold front comes through later in the day, but very mild, very warm in fact. Mid to upper 70s for highs. Again, maybe still a small chance of an early thunder shower. That chance not looking overly great at this point, and then partly to mostly sunny skies later in the day. Chance of thunderstorms today in the south, as we see partly to mostly cloudy skies, more clouds in the morning compared to the afternoon. Highs mostly in the low to mid 70s, so relatively warm out there for today. And then upper 60s and lower 70s to the east. So I think with thicker cloud cover east, we are going to see those temperatures a little cooler today. Otherwise, a chance of thunderstorms, and probably our best chance of severe weather would be in these locations later today. Next 7 days, again, hit or miss chances of showers and storms. Again, today into this evening, that chance, and then tomorrow most of the day is actually dry. It's late tomorrow afternoon and more so tomorrow evening, tomorrow night, where we have that return chance of showers and storms. Most of your Friday is actually going to be dry. It's just kind of mostly cloudy with a slight chance of a shower or thunderstorm. Better chances towards Friday night once again there. And temperature-wise, we're going to keep those temps in the upper 60s, lower 70s for the end of the week, right through the weekend and into early next week. Now, most of the weekend actually does look dry for us here in the Tri-Cities area. As you get to the southeast, there is going to be a chance of afternoon thunderstorms, including a slight chance around the Lincoln area for the red-white game. The chance not looking great, but there is a chance in the forecast for the eastern part of Nebraska there if you are heading to the spring game in Lincoln Saturday afternoon. Easter Sunday looking dry for pretty much all of us at this point here, as return chances of rain and thunderstorms come back into play Monday and Tuesday. I think our best chance would be Tuesday or Monday night and into Tuesday, the way it looks right now. So again, there is some rain there, nothing that's overly organized, not looking at the potential for major severe weather at this point here, and pretty good temperatures overall in the forecast here. The biggest issue out there this morning, I think, is that smoke, that haze out there. Hopefully that will not stick around for too long, because again, it's not a pleasant thing to smell as you step outside in the morning hours. So there you go, there is your forecast for today. Until next time, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I hope you enjoy your Wednesday.